This is a petition which I submitted to the Chief Minister's office yesterday and delivered to the office of the Honorable Chief Minister. This is regarding the qualifications for the MPS and MCS examination, competitive examination. Through the years, what we have seen is that whenever they call for the interviews for the MCS and MPS, they are following the same pattern as the UPSC. Okay. And everything, the same pattern, the preliminaries, then the intermediate, and ultimately the final exam and the interview. But what we have observed here is that there's one thing that they have not followed as per the UPSC norms. It is not mandatory, of course, but if they had done so, it would have opened much more opportunities for our youths to apply for these exams. And what is this is a very critical thing is that UPSC does allow the graduates who have not yet graduated but who's in last year of their studies to apply for the UPSC exam, provided that before they appear for the main exams, they should have a certificate of completion of their degree. Okay. Unlike here in the MPSC, only graduates are allowed. The difference between UPSC and MPSC is that UPSC conducts these exams on a yearly basis. It is a routine thing that they conduct every year. However, when it comes to MPS exams, when the MCS and MPS are advertised, they are being advertised once in 5 years. And here we find that a lot of the yet to be graduates, we are debarring them from applying for these exams because of the fact that they have asked for strictly for graduates. So we have sent a petition to the Honorable Chief Minister because now it appears that there is some restructuring of the MPSC and all, and so we thought that this is the right time for us to send a petition to the Office of the Chief Minister to kindly consider that please do allow graduates, I don't say graduates, but the students who are on the final year of the graduation, to allow them also to compete for these exams on the condition that before they appear for the main exams, they should have completed their graduation. So this is our petition, and we have submitted the petition yesterday to the Chief Minister's office, and we hope that due consideration will be given, and if they do, it will definitely help many of our youth. Because here, even if they don't pass the exam, but it allows them to gain experience. And second thing is that, maybe some of them may also qualify, by the time that the exams actually get held. Because if you see, most of these MCS and MPS exams are held once in 5 years. So, so once we debar them just because they are just 6 months away from becoming graduates, so we debar them for a very, very long time. Unlike the UPSC, which conducts every year, but still then they allow the yet to be graduates to apply.